Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka i-subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
But in Telegram and WhatsApp, each state has two official platforms. One Telegram General and Executive, and then one WhatsApp General and Executive. Those are the only official platforms approved by the government. And then some of the counties have their own private platforms, but the condition the PM gave is every county platform, the state governor or the secretary has to be part of that platform. So again, any Biafran that belongs in any platform that is unofficial, that is a social, that is left for them. I just encourage Biafrans to make sure you ask questions and you make sure you are in the official platform of the government. That is the only place you can be getting the right information. If you belong to a site that is not approved by the government, then all the information you get there, we cannot help you. So it is your duty to ask questions. It is your duty to ensure that the platform where you are is the official platform. You can ask me, take the screenshot of the platform, send that to me, and I can direct you. You can also reach out to any of the secretaries or any of the deputy secretaries or the cabinet member, and they can give you the right information. But as far as the sites are concerned, we need the sites because we need to pass information to their friends. Thank you so much, Mr. Ibiam. iPhone, go ahead.
Thank you.
iPhone, go ahead. Mr. Emmanuel, go ahead. Justina Anoye, go ahead.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Good evening.
Hello. Okay.
Prince Emmanuel, go ahead. Hold on, Justina. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is on. I want to thank all the cabinet members. I say may Kabiyama continue to bless each and every one of us. I just have this one question. Every other question that I supposed to ask have been asked, and a very nice answer have been given to them. My question is concerning some states in Biafra land, mostly the state that is in currently Zoological Republic, Niger Delta area. I discovered in my movement some of those states to have to recruit or get people or boys or girls that will join the army, and it is very difficult. And also, some of them were able to get, but they are lacking financial support. Is there anything that our Secretary of Defense is doing in that regard in having a way to support them in order to make sure that they build that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Reach out to your state governor. Again, the government is supporting all the state governors as much as we have. And that is why Biafrans, everyone asking questions that leads us to move as fast as we could, you have to contribute your money to this because we need money to do what we are doing. If you, apart from the private donors we have and the fundraisings we do, we can only do so much. So we also have some diasporans take up their states in helping to set them up, and that is something that we also encouraging. So again, reach out to your state governor, who will reach out to the government, and we know the areas of need for your state. Thank you so much. Now you go ahead. Christina, go ahead.
Good evening, my Deputy Prime Minister. Good evening, everybody. I want to use this opportunity. My name is Justina Odozo. I'm the Belgium rep. I want to use this opportunity to thank you. I've been following from the beginning till now, and I am since then something is running inside my brain to say, what manner of woman is this with this so much strength, and all the cabinet members up till now. May the Lord is your strength. May the good Lord continue to guide you, to strengthen you. It's not easy to lead group, not to talk of Biafrans. Man, I don't know whether it is question or anything, but I want to say something. The rate these people are eliminating our voice, and it's the minds of Biafrans they are targeting, leaving the elderly. They are eliminating the minds of Biafra, the young men among us in Biafra land. There was a time one Reverend Father said that when they accused him of collecting money from Buhari's government, he said no, that he helped him to bring people that will help him comb the bushes. That the people they came from outside, they will help him comb the bushes for and drive out all the people that are causing insecurity. Ma, is it still possible during this our time to get such people? Because most of the people kidnapped, they said a lot of people are somewhere caged, somewhere organ harvest, somewhere inside the bush. Ma, is it possible to still engage the service of those people to comb our bushes? Maybe they can rescue some people. Thank you, ma.
Thank you so much. Nigerian government will leave our land. We are a sovereign state. We've told them to leave our nation. They continue. Nigerian government has been killing our people, and their armored tanks are scattered in different areas of Biafra territory. We've notified Nigeria that we are now a sovereign nation, and encourage Nigeria to leave our territory. We will continue to use everything within our power, legally and otherwise, to ensure that they leave our land. We will self-defend our people based on the capacity we have. That is why we keep on calling anybody, any international body listening to me at this time. We need financial help as much as we can get, and the leadership, we are ready to negotiate with any country, anybody, any business partner that is going to come to our rescue. We have the mineral resources, we can exchange, we can negotiate. So if you're listening to me, the government, can do that. But we will also continue to ensure that we self-defend ourselves. Thank you so much. Otto Chigas, go ahead, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, good evening, ma. My DPM, all protocol observed. Ma, I have 2 or 3 questions to ask. As Biafrans, it didn't start today. that when there is a problem in a community, Umonna or whatever, when Umada comes out, that case will be settled. No matter how much you have, no matter whoever you are, they must settle that case, and you don't hear them. So in Biafra government, do we have what can I say, a program for them? Do we still respect, or do you have organization in respect of that may help us tomorrow? Maybe when we erect someone and the person started messing up, maybe do we still have the department for Omwada in the Biafra government? That's number one question. Then number two question is, I could remember that when our leader Mazen Namdekan is around with us, we have what is called M branch. I don't know if we still have such department now, because if we still have, I think they have to get every single information, as you said, that most of the Biafrans that are helping the zoo government to kill our people, those elements that the zoo government is using against our people, I think it's in their domain to fish out the people, the names, their locations, and whatever. So I don't know if we still have such branch like M branch. Then the third, when I come to this country where I'm newly, we find out that there's some people who are not Nigerians, but they are using the passport of Nigerians and they're using the passport of their country. If they commit any crime, they will bring out Nigeria passport, and they started denting the image of Nigeria passport. I believe that such or similar thing may happen. They will try. So, are we going to have a kind of external security department that will be attached to our embassies? That when we get somebody like that who is committing crime with our passport, we will pick that person up from wherever the person is and bring him down to our country for questioning. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Again, in Biafra land, the policies we put in place is going to take care of crime. We are going to run a country where individuals we know there are consequences to any action that they take, whether they are abroad or they are in homeland. So we have those policies. Some of those are in our constitution too. So we are going to have one of the best countries in the world where the rule of law guides people. The area of M branch, we are now running the 40 states of Biafra, and the consulars and the head of missions in different countries abroad. We have different departments in the under Biafra, including the intelligence unit and all that. So I'm not gonna explain all that. As far as Omada, there's nothing like Omada in Biafra land at this point. Every Wada that is born in Biafra land is Wada, so we will maintain that. And the solution to any problem is not really based on whether it's Omada or not Omada, or whether it's a woman or it's not a man. Those kind of mentality are the things that we're trying to guide Biafrans to know that you can always make an impact in your life, to your people, to your community, whether you're a man or a woman. It does not depend on the gender, and that is why we are running a country, Biafra, where there is equality, where every man and woman is going to be respected based on what they have to contribute to the society, not based on their gender. In our constitution, there is equal pay for every gender. We're not going to pay a woman higher or pay a man higher because you're a man or a woman. We encourage equality in Biafra land. It is in our constitution, and that is what we are going to do. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next person. NXO. NXO. Pastor Jonathan, go ahead.
Yes, I am here.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Please, I have the DPM and honorable cabinet members. Please, I'm calling from Eda. I was the guy that was told it is Eda, not a Hazara. The last time I communicated the cabinet. Please, what hope or measures is the government could take about our area regarding the people that were brainwashed by the Islamic Caliphate in our area? The Islamic Caliphate brainwashed people, and they have university in that area. So I think it is either the largest university in Africa of their Islamic Brotherhood, and they're using it to brainwash people. And there is a high class of killing in that area between Amasori and Eda. So what hope or measures is the government gonna take about that? Then I will continue with the next question.
Again, now we have the Edo State Governor. They're already working on that and ensuring that the security of the Edo people is uppermost. And like I said, we'll continue to put things in place to remove all the agents of the Sioux government in our territory. Go ahead with your next question.
Like as I speak, for me to elaborate more, we were told that about 8 persons were kidnapped and murdered in that area. And this is destabilizing the activities in the state because there is no form of a unity about the USB right there. Another question is that sometime
Again, let me quickly clear you. The USB, we are just like 2-3 months, and the killing of innocent Biafrans by the Nigerian state has been ongoing. It didn't start today, and we, as a government, we will continue to look for ways to raise funds to protect our land. So it has nothing to do with USB. Whoever is passing that information to you, Nigerian government kills our people every day, even as we speak now. They have their trailers inside Biafra land, moving around with their machine guns and looking for innocent Biafrans to murder. Go ahead with your next question.
I feel maybe you didn't get the question properly. There is communal clash for land, not just ordinary conflict of the jihadists. But I'm pretty sure there is a jihadist facility there, a university of Islam. And I think they will be using it to corrupt the mind of the citizens there. That's what I'm saying. But and also I've noted a reply based on the nascent nation of ours. Maybe there's nothing much to do for now, but I believe in the future it has to be pinned down that we shall take a very reasonable measure.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media boy by siwele utenu nyabozi joke mkpa gbasata maka ihe na Nigeria and ihe na-eme dị iche iche na Eastern region and unu na okosi ada na Finland and Biafran Prime Minister ka esi jide ya the update and ya bụ Biafran declaration nke eme na Finland so ihe niile aka anyị na-ewetelu n'iru akwụkwọ ka ife nwere ikwu gbasata maka ya bụ ihe Chief of Staff kwugasị n'iru akwụkwọ ya na ebe ọtọgasị aka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra so ya bụ ife ka anyị si ka anyị tinyere unu kunu gwa ifu nche n'ụdị nkunu gbasata maka ya bụ ife ngwa daalụ dị nenu nke emesịa na ụmụnne m